So guys, if you're looking for more Pinterest pin designs, just go to pinterest.com and then you can see the different pin designs. Okay, so most of these pins here are made using Canva. Okay, so you can see there's a lot of designs. Okay, so most of these are made using Canva, so you can just get inspiration from them. Okay, you don't need to copy them exactly, but you can copy the style or the design. Okay, so just browse and there are many designs. Just get inspiration from them and you will not be lacking in ideas. Okay, so now let's go back to Canva and I will show you how to magically resize a design. Okay, but this feature is available only for Canva for Work. Okay, so remember the paid Canva. Okay, so this costs $12.95 per month. Okay, but if you pay it annually, okay, it's only $9.95. So that's $9.95 times 12. That's $119 per year. Okay, so if you want to pay annually, you will get a lower rate. Okay, so for Canva for Work, you can save your brand colors and magically resize your designs. Okay, you can also organize your images into folders, upload your own fonts, and use transparent backgrounds. Okay, so remember, with the logo we need transparent backgrounds. We used Canva for Work. Okay, so magically resize design is another feature of Canva for Work. Okay, so let's go back to Canva. And here you can see the Pinterest graphic. Okay, the size is 735 pixels by 1102 pixels. Okay, but the recommended, remember the recommended size is 441 by 1199 pixels. Okay, but we can just magically resize this. Okay, so just click Pinterest graphic. Okay, so we can resize this in two ways. Okay, first, you can just click resize. Okay, and then there are different templates. Okay, so you can resize Pinterest graphic to a logo size, social graphic, etc., etc. Okay, so there are different templates here with each of their own sizes. Okay, so for example, we can resize it using the logo size, which is 500 pixels by 500 pixels. Okay, so let's just click logo and then click abracadabra resize. Okay, so click the button resize. Okay, so just hold on for a bit, it's still resizing. Okay, and then click the design. Okay, so this is what it looks like if you resize it. All right, so let's do that again. Okay, let's choose a template. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, this is a Pinterest graphic template, and then click resize, and then let's resize this into a um Twitter post. Okay, oh no, sorry. Maybe a Facebook post. Okay, so let's click Facebook post and then click abracadabra resize. Okay. Okay. So just click that pop-up blocker. Okay, sorry, this pop-up blocker. So just remove the pop-up blocker. Okay, so just click here. Always allow pop-ups from canva.com. Okay, click done. Okay, so we cannot do that if we have a pop-up blocker. So let's just do that again. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Okay, so let's click again resize, and then let's choose again the Facebook post. Okay, so click Facebook post and then click abracadabra resize. Okay, all right, so now it's the size of a Facebook post. Okay, this is the size of a Facebook post, but you need to adjust it. So you just need to, okay, fix the proportions again. You just fix it, okay, because it will not magically fix everything, but it makes it easier. Okay, all right, so now we can also resize using custom dimensions. Okay, because you see, remember here in the resize There are different design types with each their own sizes. Okay, so Facebook cover is 820 pixels by 312 pixels. Instagram is 1080 pixels by 1080 pixels. Okay, US letter is 8.5 inches by 11 inches. Okay, so you can resize that using that. But if you want to use custom size, okay, just click File and then choose Change Dimensions, and then click here, Use Custom Dimensions. Okay, so let's copy the dimensions. That's 441 by 1199. Okay, so let's go back here and type 441 by 1199 and then click Resize. Okay, so again, you still need to adjust this. Okay, fix the proportions, fix the sizes. Okay, but that is how you do magic resize. Okay, so again, this feature is available only for Canva for work. Okay, if you're using free Canva, then this is not available. Okay, so again, we still have the free trial, but if you want to upgrade, that is good. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.